Hi guys, CMF sent me this big box. This is a reviewer's kit. CMF by nothing. CMF is having their global launch event today, and they're announcing a bunch of whole new products. And most of the products are inside here. So I'm really curious. Are you? Dive into the video and let's unbox and find out. Unboxing time today. The CMF by nothing package arrived. They have a launch event today, and they sent the reviewers kit. So as you can see, this is the box, special package for reviewers. This is the Phone 2 Pro, the Buds 2 and Buds 2 Plus, the products they're announcing today. Before that, let me quickly show you what's written here in the box. It says wonderful by design. So some of the kind of the messaging by CMF. So CMF is a sub-brand of Nothing. For those of you guys who don't know, it's basically a more affordable, more youth-focused sub-brand of Nothing. Main hero here is the Phone 2 Pro, and this is the box itself. So it's got the Nothing brand on the side. CMF stands for color, material and finish. So this is the specs here on the outside. So this is the priced at roughly under 20,000. Going to be very aggressive pricing, so considering the hit of the phone 1. So you have the Buds 2 as well. We'll come to the devices in a second. So you have the Buds 2. Again, they launched a few Buds last year as well. So this is the Buds 2. It's got this hybrid ANC, powerful driver, extra long battery and clear voice technology 2.0 and dual device connectivity, which is nice to see. And here's the Buds 2 Plus, slightly premium version of the Buds 2, and this is got hybrid ANC, hi-fi sound. It's got this LDAC and high-res on the front. So it's got hi-fi sound, LDAC and high-res certification, clear voice technology and dual device connectivity as well. As you can see, it's got this nice pull-out drawer, and under that you have these devices. So let's quickly go in. So as you can see, it's got this cover, the universal cover for the CMF Phone 2 Pro. You also have the interchangeable lens, which is interesting, and also have wallet and stand. So we'll open up these one by one. First with the phone, and this is a lanyard. I mean, we saw it last year on the phone 1 too, so the lanyard is nice to see too. So here we go. So I'm going to be opening up this one. So this is the CMF by Nothing Phone 2 Pro. Oh, it's made by Padgett Electronics in Noida. Interesting. So let's open it up. So welcome to Nothing. So it's a different kind of packaging this time around. I think they're putting in a case as well. I'm not checking if there is a case. Oh wow, there's a complimentary case with the phone. So let's put this aside and check once you've opened up the phone. You also have a charger and charging cable. 3-watt charger in the box. So that's the CMF USB-C charger, and also a charging cable, some paperwork. So it's only an India exclusive, this charger in the box, according to Nothing. So here we go. We have the light green version of the Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. Let's open it up. So wow, so that's the CMF Phone 2 Pro in light green. Looks super thin. It's about 7.8 millimeters thick. Really feels good in the hand. I think they have a sealed back design this time around for IP54 rating. It's got this flat display. The phone 1 was a little chunky, so the Phone 2 Pro seems super slim at about 7.8 millimeters. I think it's one of the thinnest phones launched by Nothing so far, if I'm right. Yeah, so it's one of the thinnest phones. It's got this camera bump on the back, and it's got the 6.77-inch Panda Glass AMOLED display. Let's okay, that's a essential button on the side. So I'm powering it on. So it's got this essential key on the side here, USB-C, stereo speakers, SIM card tray, microphone on the top. It's got the screws still, as the volume rocker on the left side. You have the screws on the back and the lanyard mechanism here. So it's got this main camera is a 50 MP, and the telephoto is a 50 MP as well. You have an ultra wide 8 MP and a front 16 MP. So the phone is powered on. Looks pretty nice. The hardware more in our review zone, but I really like the hardware feel. One in hand feel of the device feels pretty nice in the hand, if you ask me. Compared to the Phone 2 Pro looks so much nicer. And yeah, so that's a camera. In terms of the battery, it's a 5000 mAh battery on the inside, 33 watt fast charging, and there's 5 watt reverse charging as well. And it's powered by a MediaTek 7300 Pro chipset, a 4 nanometer processor. It needs a SIM card to set it up. I don't have one right now. It's got this under display fingerprint sensor, and it's got global LTE and 5G support. And overall, it's got 3 years of Android updates. It's standard on most of the devices, and 6 years of security patches. And it's 185 grams, pretty less heavy in the hand. It's an 8 gig 256. This is the top end version, and an 8 gig 128 GB 8 gig RAM, and it's got storage, micro SD card slot as well. Let me just quickly show it to you. Fun fact: this is a OnePlus SIM ejector tool, which has been the same since the OnePlus 1, which Carl launched. So now he's at nothing. So let's check the SIM card tray. I think it's got a micro SD facility as well. I mean, it supports up to 2 TB cards. So the SIM 1, it's a SIM 2 is a hybrid SIM, so you can either have a SIM or a micro SD. So that's nice, considering the price point they're going after. So it's going to be priced aggressively, starting at about 19,000, I believe, and you're going to get even lower with the first sale and the bank offers and all. So before we move on, I want to check out the phone universal cover. So there's a screw in the box as well as some instructions as well. So you can just so there's a SIM card pin for the CMF, and also a screw driver for removing out the back cover. This was the difficult part, getting out this lanyard cover. So this replacement colors, white color coded one for the white cover. So I'm putting on the white cover and putting on the screws. Because of the seal design, it's slightly different from the CMF Phone 1, and yeah, it's going to be screwing these in. Screw these in. Yeah, so that's the cover, and it replaces the, basically gives it protection, as well as you can change the look and feel of it. So protection plus the customization. So that's the universal cover, and you can also change the lens, changeable lenses. It says orange, so I'll be changing all that and checking out the wallet. Called a magnet over here on the, as you can see over here, there's a magnet, so you're going to be able to use the wallet and stand here, slap it on the back of the phone. CMF equivalent of MagSafe. There's a lanyard as well, so that's something we've seen before. So yeah, so that's the CMF by CMF Nothing 2 Pro. Just want to show the accessory mechanism. So about the wallet, so you need to use this universal cover in order to use the MagSafe wallet or the magnetic wallet. So as you can see, It slaps on here, and you can actually use it as a stand for your phone. So like put it on the table or something. So yeah, so you need to use the case for that. So because of the magnet is in the case and not in the phone. So yeah, so that's the you can like kind of store some credit cards or money in here, and nice orangish finish. So you got an orange wallet, white cover, green phone, pretty funky. So let's take a look at the Buds 2 first. So this is the Buds 2. Really like this nice rotary dial they have here. It's pretty fun. And this is the Buds 2 itself. Looks pretty vanilla and very minimalist design. Nice color. This one. So it says you need the Nothing X app to set it up. So let's take a look at the Buds 2 Plus. Looks pretty similar, the case. Let's put this side by side. The Buds 2 on the left, Buds 2 Plus on the right. So the dial is a little different on the right, and these look more premium versus the Buds 2 itself. So nice premium feel here on the Buds 2 Plus. Darker shade, so you have the LED indicator on both. So it's mainly the certification and the physical difference in terms of the finish. So that's the Buds 2 Plus. Find out in a full review as to how these sound. Very good budget audio gear. So that's pretty much it, guys, from the CMF by Nothing unboxing. Stay tuned to FoneArena for all the news. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.